Welcome to the Vention Machine Builder. Let's take a quick tour. On your left, you have the Parts Selector menu with all the hardware that Vention offers. It is grouped into categories like structural, motion, control, and hardware. Click any part to select it. The currently selected part will appear at the top with details like price and icons for the 2 and 3D files. Once you've clicked a part, it will follow your mouse into the design space. When adding any part to the design space, you will be able to move through the insertion options using the left and right keyboard arrows. The current option is displayed above the bottom menu. When connecting parts, simply move the part towards an existing assembly and it will snap to the surface. Again, you can move through the options using your left and right keyboard arrows. When you're happy with the connection, simply click or hit Enter on your keyboard. Once you have placed the parts, you can move them by selecting and using the slider to move along a connected axis. You can move between axes using your left and right keyboard arrows. You can also right-click to detach or move and rotate a group of parts. The compatible parts for any selected part are available in the Part Selector menu. And to quickly reinsert any part, simply click the letter I on your keyboard. As you design, you will see the live price, weight, and assembly time in the top right-hand corner. Down in the left corner, you will see the 3D cube to help keep you situated, and you can click any face to jump to that view. Moving along the bottom of the screen are icons for some of the different functions, such as cut, copy, and paste, undo and redo, measurement increments for inches and millimeters, snap to increments, the view mode, quickly fit to view, settings which include general, display, and behavioral settings, exploded view, our measuring tool, part annotations, and your tree view. Moving up to the top left, there's a menu located underneath the Vention V. Here you can start a new design, open an existing design, save the current design or save as for your current design, import or export 3D files, get help, access your settings, or exit back to the main Vention page. The title, ID number, and version of your design are available in the top left. Following those are project-related functions like save, open, properties, and your bill of materials. Continuing along the top, you have an option to add collaborators, and finally, publish your design so you can share it with the Vention community. When you're done designing, simply hit the checkout button to move to the cart. Happy designing!